Hello and welcome back to Muslim Convert Learning Arabic. So I'm going to make some flashcards for the Arabic letters, and I'm going to be copying them from this book onto a plain piece of paper and then cut them out with a pair of scissors. So I'm going to get started. Put the book to the side. If you have a laminator, you can laminate the sheet after writing your letters and then you can cut them out. I suggest you use a thick piece of paper so that the stains don't show on the other side of your paper. So I have all my letters written down. 3 of them are not in order because I got a little bit confused and mixed up. See if you can spot them. But it's okay because I'm going to cut them out anyway. Okay, so I finished cutting out all the letters and now I'm going to arrange them in order and stack them. And I'm going to use these flashcards every time I'm out and about to learn the alphabet. Even when having a cup of coffee or tea or something for breakfast, lunch, or just sitting in the park, you can practice your letters. So I've all my letters cut out. I used a marker on a very thin piece of paper so you can see at the back it shows up. This can be avoided by using a thicker piece of card or paper or even writing with a pen instead of a marker. You can also add the transliteration onto your cards to help with the pronunciation. I'm going to put Hamza and Lam Alif to the side, and then I'm going to, this one's a bit too big, so I'm going to cut it. So now I'm going to pile them up in order, starting with the last letter, of course, working my way up through to the first one. Fa, ta, ba, and alif. Now I have all my letters cut up and piled together. And like I said, you can write the transliteration on them if it helps, but it's not necessary. And now you just flip through them while you're doing different things, even while commuting. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make your own Arabic flashcards at home. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.